Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can mute both audio and video or camera on Google Meet app. So if this is your first time using this meeting online apps, this is the Google Meet app. You can mute both an audio and video. Let's start by tap Google Meet, and here you can tap new meeting in order to practice. You can start join new meeting. By default, the camera and audio is on. So in order to mute it, you can tap on this microphone icon and tap on camera icon. Now, as you can see, before you join the meeting, you can mute it, both audio and video. And after that, you can tap join. Here, as you can see, there are no audio and video is on here. In order to like go back, maybe you need to speak, or maybe you need to on cam. Just tap this camera icon and this microphone icon. Now, as you can see, it's already on. Just tap this icon to go back mute both audio and video. So let's start again. Let's close the meeting. Now you can open your Google Meeting app. So you can join from the link, or maybe you want to start new meeting with your client, with your college. Just tap on new here, new camera icon, new record icon. Tap join meeting. Now here, by default, the camera and the audio is on. Just simply tap on microphone icon in order to mute it, and tap the camera icon in order to disable the camera. Here, as you can see, the camera and microphone is off. Now you can join the meeting. Here we go. No camera on, or the camera is off and audio is mute. And in order to go back, turn on your microphone and camera. You see there are two icons here. Tap on the microphone in order to if you want to speak, and here tap on the camera icon if you want to on cam. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click thanks button below. See you in the next video.